Alright people, I wanted to make a quick video here. I was having problems with my climate control, and I also thought I was having a problem with my blower motor. Past couple weeks driving to and from work, everything appeared to work fine for the first 10 and 15 minutes of my drive. 15 minutes into my drive, all of a sudden, like the blower motor itself would like turn off, no air would be coming out of the vents. It sounded like the blower motor was making noise, but I was getting no airflow on the floor, the defrost, air vents, or anything to that extent. Also, I would notice when I would park my vehicle when I got to work or got back home, there'd be a little bit of a puddle of water underneath it, as if my air conditioning was turned on the whole time. Right now it's winter time here in Cincinnati, so it's 35 degrees most times. So obviously, I don't need my air conditioning on. The light wasn't on the dash, so I didn't think my air conditioning was on. But for some reason, the air conditioning was on. And I'd be driving with no heat, nothing blowing out my vents. That would work fine for the first 10-15 minutes, but after that it would just kind of stop. I didn't understand what was wrong with it. I even went to the extent of checking out the blower motor. I thought maybe I needed a new blower motor. I ordered a new blower motor, hoping that would be the fix. Still replaced it and did nothing changed. So I found this little trick here. I don't know if it's like reprogramming the climate control, but this is what fixed for my Civic. So normal, you turn the car on, you go through all the different settings here. All that stuff is working just fine. You can turn the AC on, AC off, all that, everything looks normal. I'm going to show you what I did. First off, you want to turn the fan off, turn the temperature all the way to the coldest setting. Make sure that this is set on to your face only. Go ahead and turn the car off. Now you want to press and hold the AC and the recirculate button at the same time. At that point, you want to then turn the car to the on position, but don't start the vehicle. Keep holding these buttons down. The light's going to start flashing here. All right, and that is it. I'm going to go ahead and turn the car to the off position. I'm just going to turn the fan on a little bit, change the temperature control here. We're going to go back to this position now, turn it back to on. All right, now from here, when you go through the settings, and now when you turn on the defrost, the AC button lights up automatically. You can press it, now it turns off the air conditioning when the defrost is on. Otherwise, before I did this, it was always on. When you would turn on the defrost, there was no way to turn off the air conditioning. So now with that also, I am able to save a little bit of gas mileage, get a little more power while driving, because I'm able to leave it in the defrost modes without the AC being on, which is nice. But at the same time, ever since I've done this, now my blower motor works all the time like it's supposed to. I'm able to turn the AC off and on like it's supposed to. So in this scenario, it fixed my air conditioning problem and my blower motor problem. Don't know why or how, but this is what I did to fix it. Maybe you guys have the same similar problem. My car is a 2006 Civic EX. I would assume it would work with 06 to 2010 Civics. They're all pretty similar. So hopefully this can help you out. If you want to go back to the way it was originally set up as, and you want it to be so every time you turn these functions on, you cannot turn off the AC. To go back to that, same thing, we're going to turn this off. We're going to turn the temperature all the way to cold. This time you want to leave it on the defrost setting. Turn the car off. Same scenario, going to press and hold these two buttons, the AC and recirculate, as you turn the car to the on position. Here in a second, the light will start flashing. All right. Turn the car back off. I'm just going to change these knobs just a little bit. We're going to go back to the on position. And now when I go through these settings, and I hit the defrost, the AC button doesn't automatically come on by itself, but it's always running. And that's the way the car is from the factory, that anytime you want to turn the defrost on, automatically the AC turns on, helps defrost the windows. Obviously, defrosting turns on the AC, air conditioning pulls out moisture out of the air. That's what helps defrost your windows. Obviously, you know, you still want the heat on when you're defrosting your windows. That even helps you more. But hopefully this video helps you. Hopefully this might save you a trip of thinking you have a problem with your air conditioning, or you might think you have a problem with your blower motor. I don't know. This is all it took to fix my Civic, and it took me, you saw, maybe 45 seconds of just pressing a few buttons, turning the car on. It was that simple. So hopefully this helps you out. If you'd like more videos about my Honda Civic, I'll post a few more videos here in the next couple weeks. Thank you very much.